Welcome guys, today I'm with the Realme Narzo 50i Prime and I'm going to show you how Camera Pro mode looks in this smartphone. So the first we have to open more modes. It's next to the portrait mode and select Pro. As you can see, right now we can find this bar and we can find all these parameters. The first one is exposure compensation. We can get it on +3 or -3. And with this parameter we can adjust the brightness level. Another one is the shutter speed. As you can see, we can set it up like that. So we can set it up manually or automatically. Next one is focus. The same like with the shutter, we can move it manually or automatically. Another one is ISO, so we can get it between 100 and 1600 and also automatically. Another one is the white balance. We can find here 4 different presets and also automatic adjustment. Another option is some kind of the contrast and saturation. So you can get it -3 and a +3 and the same with the contrast. When you go right here, we can enable flashlight. So that's all. That's the camera tips for the Pro mode and the Realme Narzo 50i Prime. If you find this video helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.